and cooking enthusiasts alike, this guide will walk you through each step with ease and confidence. Let's start with the essentials, our ingredients. You'll need flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, butter, milk, and your choice of add-ins like raisins or chocolate chips. Gather these and let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your dry ingredients. Add the butter, cutting it in until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. This is where many stumble, but remember, the key is not to overmix. Next, pour in the milk, stirring gently until a dough forms. If it feels too sticky, a sprinkle of flour will do the trick. Now fold in your chosen add-ins, ensuring they're evenly distributed. Time to shape our scones. On a floured surface, pat the dough into a circle about an inch thick. Cut into wedges and place them on a baking sheet. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. The aroma will be irresistible. While they cool slightly, let's talk serving. Scones are best enjoyed warm, with a dollop of cream or a spread of jam. And there you have it, a batch of perfect scones ready to impress. Remember, baking is about enjoying the process, so have fun and experiment with flavors. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious